New shipment of SS Tongue. Let's have a look. Let's check out these. First up, we've got Master 7000. About 8 grain. Really nice piece of willow. This picks up real nice as well. Awesome. We got a new shipment of mostly a master range. So it'll be what the 1000s through to the 9000. Just getting a restock on those just at the back end of the season. Master 2007. I would go with this. About 13-14 grains. This bag will be only around about, we'll be selling for about $270 only, and you're getting that, so that's really good value from SS actually. Really good. About 2.8 as well. They've got the weight on there. 1140 grams they've written. And again, 1140, so about 2.8. Next up, we've got another Master 7000. Again, really nice grains. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grains on this one as well. There you go. We actually asked the guys at SS to give us slightly higher middles compared to what they usually have, because they usually have really low middles, but that wouldn't, being Australian based, that wouldn't really suit the local conditions, so we requested to have slightly higher middles, make it easier for our customers. Another Master 7000. About 9 grains on this one. And again, pickup's nice. 1135 grams, so again now £2 each, around about there. This one's actually 1105 grams, so it's actually around about 2.7. That's pretty rare from SS actually as well. They all have oval handles as well. Ooh, it's waiting for a storm. Master 1000. $11.55 grams, so around about 2.8.5, 2.9. Lovely shape on that one. Really lovely. You can see duckbill into the toe. Another Master 2000. $11.30 grams. So again, maybe 2.8, 2.7.5. Slightly more blemishes on this one, but it's alright. It's probably one of the lower end bets. So, but you're still getting a really nice pickup. 11.30 grams, and very reasonable grains for what you're actually paying. That's pretty good. It's good from SS. Ooh. Another 2000. Master 2000. Nice shape on this one as well, if you can see from there. Ton laser engraving as well, standard. Again, oval shape handles, as will they'll all be in this shipment as requested. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains. A couple of little blemishes here, but overall pretty good for a grade 3. That's pretty good. Master 1000 again. No blemishes, but it's 5 grains on this one, if you can see. And again, lovely mid-middle profile. 11.35 again, so around about 2.8.5. Sorry, not 2.8.5, 2.7.5. Last of the 1000s. Again, pretty wide grains, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little bit of blemishes there, but nothing too big. Again, about a mid-low to mid-profile. And again, 11.30 grams. So quite a lot of, most of the bats in this shipment are actually really light, super light. Ooh, mark 5,000. I haven't seen one of these. Oh, that's pretty nice. Nice. Nice, nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. This is really nice. 11.35 again. Nice grains here for 5,000. Another 5,000. Again, same duckbill toe, mid to low, mid-middle profile. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains. Some little blemishing there. Just there, a little bit of blemishing, but the rest of it's all good. 1140 grams. So 2.8. And the last 5,000. So the lucky last is the Master 9000s. Which is the top in the Master range, so considered play regular. Should be safe. Be exciting. There's no blemishes in this one. Lovely, actually pretty nice straight grains on this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half grains. And you get 1135 grams. So really nice this one. Really loving the updated decals as well, the stickers for the new range that they've updated for all of the bats in the past 12 months or so. Slightly more premium padded case for the top bat. Master 9000. This looks like a monster. No laser engraving now because of the players grade bats. They try and follow the MCC rules, which says you can't have any of these, any stickers or any burnt ink, something like that, due to DRS and all that stuff. So it's a nice touch, actually. Then you get sort of the same players feel without the edge. Well, it's not much, but when you look down, it does make a little bit of difference, I reckon. This one's again 1135 grams with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 grains. Nice bow as well. Nice and greeny. Master 9000. Loved it. Excellent. There you go. This one looks really clean on until right away. Again, mid-low profile. Slightly any concaving on this. Actually, on all of that, slightly. There's pretty much no concaving anymore on these bats. So you get a really widespread spot. It's good. So this one is really nice. Grains as well. Looks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 grains again, but a lot more straighter and a bit more even space compared to the other one. If you can see. Again, 1135 grams, so really nice. Really nice. And the lucky last. Oh yeah. It's got a really nice, lovely duckbill profile. Really, really nice clean streak, even grains as well. Probably the best of a lot of these, of all the bats, I reckon this one. 1140 grams, so 2.8. Looks really nice. Feels really nice in the hands as well. Love it. Nice. Again, no edge embossing, same as all the other Master 9000s, the player grade willows. And that's it. That's it for the SS Master shipment. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. To grab yours, click the link in the description or head over to atsport.com.au. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.